You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Global markets continue to show volatility amid global events such as instability in the Middle East and incentives from China. Japan's Nikkei index fell sharply by 4.6% after investors began to take into account the likelihood of an interest rate hike under new Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba. His criticism of the Bank of Japan's soft policy has increased concerns about the normalization of monetary policy. However, Ishiba recently softened his position, stressing that stimulus measures are still needed in the current economic situation. In the currency markets, the dollar stabilized against the yen at 142.64 after a sharp drop on Friday, when the exchange rate fell to 142.07. The euro also strengthened to $1.1170 due to favorable data on the U.S. Consumer Price Index. U.S. financial markets are now estimating the probability of a significant reduction in Fed rates at the November 7 meeting at 52%, although the upcoming presidential elections add uncertainty. Donald Trump's victory could increase inflation risks and strengthen the dollar. However, at the moment there is a slight advantage of Kamala Harris in the forecasts in the markets. This week, investors are expecting important data from Europe, including inflation in Germany and France, as well as retail sales data and business and consumer confidence indices in the EU. In addition, statements by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and a discussion of economic policy with representatives of central banks are expected. Thus, the markets are waiting for both new macroeconomic data and the actions of central banks, which will determine the further development of events in world markets. And now to the crypto market. Bitcoin could end September 2024 with the best performance ever if the price stays above $65,000 by the end of the month. By September 29, Bitcoin showed an increase of 11%, reaching a two-month high of $66,500. The weakening of the US dollar index also has a positive effect on the cryptocurrency market, increasing investor optimism amid a weakening dollar and geopolitical instability. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.